Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani coming to you today with my weekly grocery haul. Today I went to Kroger's to do my normal grocery shopping, and I thought I would stop in and show you guys what I got. So if you'd like to see what I got, continue watching. Okay, the first thing I got was this Hawaiian bread. It's actually hot dog buns. And I also got some Pepperidge Farm hamburger buns. I'm barbecuing this weekend and we needed bread, so I got that. Then I got the Pepperidge Farm light style soft wheat bread with only 45 calories. I got one of that, and then also the same light but the 7 grain, which also is 45 calories. I'm doing the cold stuff first. Then I wanted to try these. I've seen it from time to time. I think normally the regular price is $8 or $8.99, and it was on sale for $5.39. So I figured I would give it a try. It sounds good. Spinach and artichoke stuff in a chicken breast. I probably will do some rice or some mashed potatoes with this one day when I don't feel like cooking. Next, I got some eggs. I got one box of Pete and Jerry's organic range-free eggs. The regular price for these is $5.99, and it was on sale for $2.99. And then also I got another box of pasteurized organic raised eggs. I'm not sure who this is by. Let's see. It does say Handsome Brook. I don't know if you can see that right here. Again, it is no. I bought two. Then, like I said, I try to be as healthy as possible. This is a new brand. It's called 1915. It's organic cold pressed juices. They were on sale. If you bought one, you got the other one for free. So tonight for dinner, we're having mashed potatoes, and I got some fresh chives to put in my potatoes. Regular price, I think, was $1.99, so that's why it's marked down 99 cents. And then I love coconut water. This is like my favorite coconut water. They were on sale. The regular price normally is $4.49, I believe, like $4.50. So I got it on sale for $2.19. This is really good if you like coconut water. I always get one of these, the Bumblebee snack pack with tuna. I usually don't eat breakfast in the morning. I usually drink like suja juice. So by the time I'm done shopping, I'm like super hungry. So I always buy this to eat on my way home so I don't have to stop and get fast food. Then I got some Mueller's spaghetti. I'm going to make spaghetti with homemade meatballs one day this week. I got this Kroger butter recipe naturally flavored cake mix. I believe it's a yellow cake mix. I'm going to bake a cake on Sunday. I am not a baker, so these suit me just fine. Then I got the Nestle Toll House cookie bacon mix. I buy these, and what I do is I use like half, and then I add oats to the batter, and I got 4 of those. I got a box of pasta, the rotini. I got a big bag of beans. I love beans. We eat a lot of beans. I just find it's more economical to buy it in the bags and cook it versus the can. I also got some plums, dried plums. I like to eat a couple of these in the morning. You know what they're for. Then I got a box of the imitation version of Cheerios. I got a box of macaroni and cheese. Then I got a box of Ritz honey wheat crackers. I got 2 grape jelly. I don't eat this at all, but you know, the family, they do. So I got 2 bottles of these. And finally, I got a big bottle of vinegar. Okay, I missed a couple items, so I wanted to show it to you before I start with the canned goods. I got this crispy hexagon. I believe this is an imitation of Chex Mix. I got a 32 ounce, which is 2 pounds of sliced smoked turkey breasts for sandwiches, and a gallon of milk. Okay, so now we will do the canned stuff. I got 2 peanut butters. I know it's not canned, but I figure I'd put it in here. These are creamy. I got a can of pet milk, fat-free. I did not mean to get fat-free. I don't do fat-free and I don't do skim. We don't do it here at the house. I got a large can of chunky tuna, a can of Vienna sausage. I like to make salchicha. I got 1 bush baked beans, pinto beans, sorry. A can of white potatoes, some SpaghettiOs. I got 3 cans of refried beans. I got 3 cans of fruit. One is the fruit cocktail, sliced pears, and applesauce. Oops, I'm sorry, I got 1 more, which is the Dole pineapple chunks. I also got a can of grilled sausage gumbo. I got 3 cans of tomato sauce. If you can see that right there. I got a can of green beans. Actually got 2 cans of green beans. I got some mixed vegetables from Del Monte, some collard greens, and 2 cans of corn. Okay, then we have these 2 desserts. We have a chocolate cake and some cupcakes. The cupcakes were on sale. I think the regular price was $5.99 and I got it for $2.99. Again, thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch my video. Everybody be blessed. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.